In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a rotating text animation in Canva, step by step. This is a simple but powerful animation effect that you can use for Instagram posts, YouTube intros, reels, presentations, and even ads. The best part is that you don't need any advanced design skills or paid animation software to do this. Everything we're covering today can be done directly inside Canva. If you're new here and you enjoy easy Canva tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button because it really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future Canva tips and tricks. All right, let's jump right into it. First, head over to the Canva homepage. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and open any untitled design. You can choose a blank canvas or select a template if you prefer, but for this tutorial, a simple blank design works perfectly. This gives us a clean space to focus only on the rotating text animation without distractions. Next, click on any text of your choice. If you don't already have text on your canvas, simply click on the text option from the left sidebar and add a heading, subheading, or body text. Once the text appears on your design, click directly on it so it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around the text and the editing options appear at the top. With your text selected, look at the top toolbar and click on the Animate button. This is where Canva's animation magic happens. When you click Animate, a panel will open showing different animation styles you can apply to your text. These include basic animations like fade, pop, and pan, but we're going to scroll a bit further to access the effect we want. Now, scroll down inside the animation panel until you reach the Add-on Effects menu. This section contains more dynamic and eye-catching animation effects specifically designed to add movement to your elements. Take your time scrolling so you don't miss it, because this is where the rotate animation is located. Once you find the rotate animation, go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do, you'll see your text start rotating automatically on the canvas. That's it. The rotating text animation is now applied to your text. You can preview the animation by clicking the play button to see how it looks in real time. Depending on your design style, you can adjust the text size, font, color, and placement to make the rotation effect stand out even more. If you're creating content for social media or video, this rotating text animation is a great way to grab attention and add a professional touch to your designs. You can duplicate the text, apply different animations, or combine it with other Canva elements to create something truly unique. And that's how easy it is to create a rotating text animation in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials, design tips, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.